Writing a script for television news requires precision, clarity, and an understanding of your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Understand your audience and purpose. Identify the tone of the broadcast, formal, conversational, etc. Tailor your script to suit the audience's interests, whether it's local, national, or international. 2. Structure your script. A lead-in. Start with a hook, a concise and engaging opening line to grab attention. Summarize the story in one sentence without giving away too much. B. Body. Present the most important information first, inverted pyramid style. Provide context and background. Use quotes, statistics, and verified facts to support the story. C. Closing. End with a concluding statement that leaves an impact. Mention any upcoming segments or related stories. 3. Use the 5 Ws and 1 H. Answer who, what, when, where, why, and how early in the story. 4. Write for the ear. Use simple, conversational language. Write short sentences and avoid jargon. Use active voice. 5. Include cues. Write cues for visuals, sound bites, and transitions, e.g., VO starts here, SOD. Mayor speaking. Clearly indicate when the anchor should look at the camera, read on-screen text, or refer to graphics. 6. Keep it brief. TV news segments are short. Each script should ideally fit within a 30 to 90-second time frame. 7. Add visuals. Suggest appropriate visuals for each part of the story. Include placeholders for videos, images, or live feeds. 8. Proofread. Double-check for factual accuracy and typos. Read the script aloud to ensure it flows naturally.
Friends, thanks for watching this video. A sample script of this video has been shared in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Do let us know if you want to do our certificate course on TV news script writing.